What happened? Do you know how to do it?
Sorry?
Do you know how to put it? I don't know. Baka mamaya magpo. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, just put in here for now. Hopefully your truck will work. We're gonna remove this. Alisin ko muna to. There's no power at all. Like I mean, there's nothing in it. Your battery is so drained. Did you turn it off? Put it on. Did you on? When you click something like that, it's supposed to be there's something in there. But like it's only the key is already on, and it's on also here. But it's supposed to be there's something at least power in there. It's already on. See?
Yeah, put it sideways. I'll put the pallet jack and then spin it around.
So what are you gonna do? Put everything?
If you, I think it's better. But if you want to come back, you can. I don't care.
Alright. Tapos si tatay, ang truck ayaw mi-start. Tulungan natin. Ayaw mi-start ang kanyang truck. Nagpapa na i-jumper daw natin ang kanyang truck. Tulungan natin kasi kasama natin to sa industriya. What happened? Do you know how to do it?
Sorry?
Do you know how to put it? I don't know. Baka mamaya magpo. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, just put in here for now. Hopefully your truck will work. We're gonna remove this. Alisin ko muna to. We're gonna remove this so that we can work properly in there. Yeah, there. Baka magaskasan. Yo. Alam niya ba ang ginagawa niya rito? Pula sa pula. Tips.
Could you please like
Tighten?
yeah tighten or just pull? No, this pull tighten by itself and this one too.
Okay. Hold.
Just pull a little bit. It's tighten.
Okay. Hold. Okay. Close it. Close it. Close this one so that you gonna gain battery. Not working? Ano to? Freightliner? Okay. Parang bagong bago tong truck na to ah. Ah,
Can you put more PM, your engine?
okay. Oh, yeah. Dar. Alam niyo ba ginagawa nito? Buti niya neutral. Nakadrive yata, paano i-start yan? Walang power. Why is it there's no even power?
Huh?
Why is it? Put it there. Hold on. Why is it? Is there any power on it? Hold on. Let me see.
Try to start.
Neutral. Hold on, hold on. No. Naka-neutral naman. You gotta give it some time. There's no power at all. Like I mean, there's nothing in it. Your battery is so drained. Did you turn it off? Put it on. Did you on? When you click something like that, it's supposed to be there's something in there. But like it's only the key is already on, and it's on also here. But it's supposed to be there's something at least power in there. It's already on. See? What happened? You just park here and then it's not working? Yeah, there's no power. Well, wala, sira yata tong truck. You need to call someone. It's not even your light, it's nothing. There's no actually power on it. Don't. They're gonna. Maabala lang ako dito. No, hold on. Wait for it, just stay there. Brake, air supply low. Huh? Nothing. There's no power on it. Naka-on naman. No man, no power. I think you're gonna call someone. Wala, hindi pwede. Makabala rin ako dito. Ano yung pula? Di yung pula yun. So when it's red, it's supposed to be in red, okay? Alright there. Yun, mali yatang pagkakalagay. Okay. Just hold it, Judge. Hold it a minute, because it's putting a battery.
13.5. Charging.
Which one you say is charging?
13.5.
So that's good?
That's good.
It's supposed to be good. It means 13.5.
That's from your truck.
Yeah.
It's coming from your truck. Mine battery is about 10 volt.
Yeah, but where's your battery says here?
No, if I disconnect cable, you will see my battery.
But But it's coming from there, right? So it's supposed
Now
to.
it's your voltage, your truck.
So it.
Your truck gives 13.5.
So it can we crank it now?
Should be, but
Yo, why? Hold on, I just gonna try to crank. Dapat remove. I will try to crank. Okay?
sorry.
Try to crank.
Okay.
Hold on, we have to close the door before we crank. Detroit, run smart. 13.5 dapat ano na yun eh. 13.6. 13.4. Press the gas. Woo! Press my gas there. Press the gas. Yeah, press it. Just more. Let's go to the 13.7. $457. Oh, no, matanda na. Miles yan, no? Miles ang ano nito, miles hindi to kilometer. Wala, hindi pwede. What happened? $12.6. About, hold on. Hold on. Dapat ma-start niya to 13.5 yun na yung battery, oh. Kayang-kaya niya sana to eh. Naka-neutral naman eh. Guys, can you load here? From here, can you load me from here? I think he's gonna be some time with this one. So you have to call someone. I also have a pickup and then come back here. Okay. Can you load me from there?
I'll show you where I can load.
Sorry, man.
No problem.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Yeah. Wala natin. You're gonna wait for a minute. You have to put it in there and wait for a minute. It will be. I will hold for you. Hold on. Just give it some time. Wait at least 15 minutes before you crank it. Okay? I'm sorry about that. I wanna help, but I'm sorry.
You know how to.
Yeah, I can put it. I got it. Yeah. Wala tayong magagawa. Okay. Let's open my door first. Before, where are you going to? Just back in here?
It'd be easier if we back to the door, but what do you think? So you have 3 for Edmonton and 3 for Calgary.
We have to do the way that they ask.
No, but I have a just suggestion. If we load all 6, when you go to Cost and Cold Storage, ask him to move the 3 out, load theirs, and put back in. 'Cause I don't know, I have no dog here.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. Hold on. Let's see how we're gonna.
You know what I mean? Like, we'll mark them all, we'll label them for you. But if let's put Edmonton and then we put Calgary, ask over there, say, hey, can you please take the 3 off for Calgary, put
So-
their stuff, and then put mine after.
I just gonna check first with what is the location in there. If I already know that they have a loading dock, we can do that. But if it's not, we
They
cannot.
have a loading dock. It's right there. They're just their place is just right over there. Maybe.
Oh yeah, I
1
already been there.
kilometer. Yeah.
You think they can do it?
It's only 3 pallets.
To remove?
Huh?
To remove and then so that because they stuck here, right? So that guy how long we gonna go here, right?
So if you back up there, then I load in the back Edmonton.
Yeah.
And in the front I load the 3 or 4 Calgary. I think it's only gonna be 3 pallets.
So we're gonna remove there and they put it back in there.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sure, for sure. I'll have to ask them.
You wanna ask them first?
Yeah, no, I have to ask them later. But if it's not, then I have to come back here to remove it.
It's up to you. We don't care. You can come back again, but it would make your life easier.
Yeah, I know what you mean. But yeah, that's the thing. Hold on, I'm just gonna open here.
They could can you back up over there to my door or no? It's too difficult.
Yeah, I can do it.
Then we
I have to just guide me here. I have to back over there and I have to go in there and then back over here. Okay, hold on. Wala yung tanda hindi na ako makakatulong sa kanya dyan. Meron din akong trabaho Gusto ko siyang tulungan pero wala Sana pagbalik natin hugasan ko lang muna itong kamay ko. Marumi. Ayokong hawakan yung manubela nating marumi. Alright, let's go. Wala, hindi ko na siya matulungan May trabaho din naman tayo guys Gusto kong tumulong. Kaso wala Ang loading dock nila, hindi tayo makatras. Papasitihin natin. Mayroon yata ang posteron. That's it. Ano yung sapatos? Magsapatos tayo. Wala. Natin magagawa sa kanya.
Then put it sideways. I'll put the pallet jack and then spin it around.
So what are you gonna do? Put all everything?
If you, I think it's better. But if you want to come back, you can. I don't care. I think it's better if we label Edmonton. We put the Edmonton. Then we put the Calgary.
And we're gonna remove it in there?
Huh? And over there, just ask him. Say, Billy's a good friend of mine, the owner. Billy
Okay.
and Sunny.
Okay.
And just tell him. Normally we don't like to do this, but a truck broke down in their dock.
Yeah, the truck is broke down, so
Yeah.
okay.
Or if you want, I can just load Edmonton. We could take it off. You go there, then you come back.
Yeah, well,
I
yeah, just put everything, I guess, because I had to talk to him. He's good guy there.
Yeah, just tell
Okay.
him. Normally I wouldn't do this.
But
to-
we're gonna do the way the load in detail is okay.
Yeah,
Because I don't want to go in here and it's not for me. The one it's ours is in the back, so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't want to touch your product. So what happened is gonna screw it up. So
No, if you need to overhear them to change it.
yeah, they're
If
just
you
gonna
want,
do
I
it.
can just load Edmonton. You can come back. You want to do that?
Well, yeah, if that's how it is. If you don't, if they, yeah, I just gonna come back here.
I think they will. I think they'll understand. And it's only 3 pallets. It's not like a lot of stuff, right?
Okay.
But I don't know. Some places are like, no, we're not touching it, right?
But you're a good friend. Your
But
friend.
he's my friend, but I don't know. He's the boss. I don't know if he's there. He might
Yeah.
not be there right now.
Yeah, just put it in.
Put it in? All
Yeah. So we put first the one it's in Edmonton.
Yes.
And the second is Calgary.
Yeah.
Okay, have to take picture which it's like Edmonton.
You want them straight or sideways?
Chimney block, please.
Chimney block?
Yeah, so just put it in. If you can put
Okay.
this one in that side and then
Okay.
just put only 3 for now and I'll come back. Cause I don't want
I talked to them. They said put all 6.
throw them and they can fix in there.
Yeah, they said they fixed it. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, cause I don't want to.
So what's that name? Okay, yeah. Chimney block. Hey, Chris. Yeah. So I'll need one sideways, one straight. So next one will have to be sideways, right?
You sure you talk to them?
Huh?
You sure you talk to them?
I talked to them right now.
Cause I don't want to. They said, oh, you have to go there and then I don't want to touch your product, other product, so that's not good.
He didn't mark it. Where did he mark it? Yeah, here's can I get a pen? I have to mark here now, though.
Yeah, please. Oh, right there.
I need to mark here, though, because this will go. Is there a black pen?
Right there at the top.
I talked to my friend. He said no problem. Yeah. It's okay, but I want to mark here because...
Oh, okay, so that they see it.
Yeah,
Okay.
otherwise the forklift...
Sure. What is this?
Apples.
Apples? Okay.
Need a pen. Need a black pen.
So 3 first, and then them, and then yours, right? That's how it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just... I'm going to put Edmonton. Leave Edmonton. The front 3 for Calgary you take off.
Uh-huh.
Put their stuff and then put my stuff after.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, so your 3 first. 3.
No, I need a black big pen, man. Tell Richard to mark them on both sides because there's chimney block in it. I need a black marker. You have a black marker?
Me?
Yeah.
I have. Okay, hold on. I'll go grab my black market pen. Ba mga klase ng ano rito, ultimo pintal pen, wala sila. naman yan. Ultimo pintel pin, wala sila. Naktilo na. Tama, kapi tayo. Tama yan, mami. Alright, where are you? Para tayong sundalo eh, lagi tayong handa eh. Okay. Baka mamaya naka off duty na ako dito. Okay. There. It's working now. See? You need some time to wait for it. That's the only way. So how long it take? How long it take before you start your truck? 20 minutes.
Start. Tell him to mark both sides. And then you make sure you put the mark side of the truck started. The truck started, you go there or go here?
What? Just mark it here now, so you can see it. Are those free days?
Gary. Yeah? You want me to take back this down? And you go in the dock? Let me try one, see how this works.
Yeah, we can go to the dock once the guy leaving.
Okay, let's load here and have the guy go.
Okay, yeah, for sure. It's easier for us.
Let's do one. Let me try it.
Okay.
It's better in the dock, so let me try it.
I will tell to him if he can leave now. Avad? Oh, hindi. You moving now? Okay, I'm going in there. Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Take care, okay? Do not stop your truck. Do not stop your truck yet. Just keep it cranking.
Stop my truck.
Oh, yeah. A company truck. Okay, okay. He's now leaving.
Huh?
He's now leaving.
He's leaving?
Yeah, he's gone. You want me to go in there?
He's stuck?
Yeah, he's.
Okay, let's load over there.
Yeah, just load over there. It's easier for you guys.
Tell him to pick up the salad bag.
Don't forget my pintle pen to give it to me, huh? That's expensive.
Oh, yeah.
My pintle pen, it's expensive.
Shut it?
Okay. Antayin natin, baka mamaya biglang akong i-move. Oh yeah.
Come on.
Okay, take off first. You don't wanna get accident. Dito, tayo rito sa kanilang loading dock. Mas mabilis. Para makalarga na tayo mga lodi. Pinatay niya yata, baka hindi na naman umandar. Visit na yan. Baka ayaw na naman umandar. Ah, hindi. Papunta siya doon sa ano eh, palabas na siya. Baka mamaya hindi ka pa bumaba, ah. Yeah. Okay, punta tayo dun. There. Ayun na. After that, I have to put the load bar on it so that they will see in there. Oh, this is the only thing that you have to remove and put in there, right?
It's labeled admitted though. You just tell them to take out the first three.
Okay.
I don't think you need a load.
That's awesome. Yeah, I will put the bar so that it won't go anywhere. Yeah. Okay.
Here you go.
A free taste. Thanks, man. Appreciate this.
Yeah. You use that paperwork?
No, I go there.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. I'll come in there. The prettiest, guys. Alright. Oh. Move ko lang yung truck. Sa sarado natin. Alright, kunin ko yung papeles, guys. temperature. Tama lang. Right yo guys, ayan. Isarado natin kung ko lang yung papel. So hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita mga kaibigan, no. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang panonood po sa suporta sa video vlog nila. Peace up guys. Bye.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.